Hello English learners, welcome to my channel Dr. Melika Kuti. Today I'm going to focus on adjectives as parts of speech. Adjectives modify nouns and pronouns. They give more information about people, things and places. They answer the questions: which one, how many, what kind. Examples: there are 10 balls. How many balls? They stay in the new hotel. Which hotel? Mary drives a racing car. What kind of car? So if we take the first example, we have there are 10 balls. So the adjective in this sentence is 10. The question that should be asked is, how many balls are there? In the following sentence, they stay in the new hotel. The adjective here is new. So, which hotel do they stay in? In the last sentence, Mary drives a racing car. Racing is the adjective. So, we ask the question about the adjective: what kind of car does Mary drive? Good. Let's move to kinds of adjectives. Some adjectives describe the size of people or things. For example, a tall man, a long line, a big classroom, a thin girl, tiny feet. So tall is an adjective, long is an adjective too, and big and thin and tiny. Great. Some adjectives tell about the color of things and objects. For example, a blue jacket, a red carpet, a green book, brown shoes, a white uniform. So blue, red, green, brown and white, all these are adjectives that tell us about the color. Good. Next, some adjectives describe the quality of people and things. For example, a rich woman, a kind man, a hot summer, a rainy day, a familiar word. So, rich, kind, hot, rainy, and familiar, all these are adjectives that describe the quality of people and things. Next, some adjectives tell what things are made of. For example, a leather jacket, a clay pot, a glass window, a wooden spoon, a cotton dress. So, leather, clay, glass, wooden, cotton, all these are adjectives that tell us what things are made of. Great. Next, some adjectives are made from proper nouns of place. For example, an Algerian woman, a British Isle, a Japanese custom, an Italian dish, a Spanish city. Good. Algerian, British, Japanese, Italian, and Spanish, all these are adjectives, and they are said to be adjectives of nationality too. Great. Now, let's move to the adjectives order rule. What is it about? Good. Let's see. When we use two or more adjectives, we have to use the following order. We begin with size, then quality, then color, then origin, and substance. For example, a big red Korean car. Big refers to the size. Red refers to the color. Korean, this is the origin of the car. Another example, a strange Chinese glass mug. So, strange represents the quality, Chinese, the origin. Glass, the substance. Other examples: a small, nice English lady. Here we've got 3 adjectives. Attractive grey trousers. Delicious Algerian dishes. Good. Note: adjectives of quality sometimes come before adjectives of size. For example, elegant long hair. Elegant long hair. So elegant represents the quality and long represents the size. So here the quality precedes the size. Next, adjectives of size always come before adjectives of color. Let's take an example. A horrible short red dress. A horrible short red dress. Here you see we've got the adjective of size, which is short, precedes the adjective of color, which is red. Great. Next, adjectives come after the color adjectives. Adjectives of substance come after the color adjectives. For example, a horrible short red cotton dress. Here we've got the substance, which is cotton, is after the adjective of color, which is red. Great. Now let's move to adjective endings. Okay, there exist many endings for adjectives. Some adjectives end in Y. For example, cloudy weather, a noisy boy, a rainy day, juicy fruit, dirty clothes, a lazy girl. Great. Some adjectives end in full. For example, a careful person, a wonderful island, a helpful woman, a beautiful girl, a skillful painter. Next, some adjectives in S, O-U-S. Examples: a dangerous game, a courageous boy, a famous song, a generous couple, a poisonous frog. Good. Some adjectives end in less. A useless equipment, a meaningless argument, a fearless soldier, a harmless insect. So all these adjectives end in less. Next, some adjectives end in al, A-L. A traditional dress, a musical instrument, a coastal village, a national anthem, a medical report. Great. Some adjectives end in icy, ick, ish, ish, ible, a bowl, able, a bowl, ive, and ly. Let's take examples. An energetic fox, an optimistic man, an enthusiastic student. Good. A flexible cable, horrible colors, a terrible feeling. Next, comfortable seats, valuable advice, suitable seats. Next, a foolish behavior, a stylish lady, a childish thinking. Next, talkative pupils, creative writing, an expensive ring. Next, lovely people, a friendly aunt, a lively discussion. Good. many adjectives and in ing. For example, an interesting topic, a boring atmosphere, an annoying neighbor, a tiring job. Good. Many adjectives and in ed. Let's take some examples. Interested students, allotted time, boiled water, a disappointed man. Good. For describing what something is made of, we add en to some nouns. For example, wood, the adjective is wooden. Example, a wooden table. Wool, the adjective is woolen, and an example here, a woolen pullover. Good, but there are some exceptions. There's here one at least. Plastic and gold are nouns, but they can be used as adjectives. For example, a plastic chair, a gold key. So here we haven't added en, okay? They are nouns, but they function as adjectives in these examples. Great. Let's take some exercises. You've got 2 exercises. Number 1, fill in the table below. You've got a column of adjectives and a column of nouns. So you are given the adjectives, you are going to find the nouns. You have hopeful, energetic, careless, childish, painful, friendly, and interesting. So your job is to find the nouns. Exercise 2. Fill in the blanks with adjectives using the verbs in parentheses. Number 1. The story was, and the verb interest. Number 2. I was in the story, and interest too. 3. She was with her job, and you've got bore. 4. The job was, and you've got bore. 5. Teaching is a profession, and you have the verb satisfy. Miriam is with her profession, satisfy. I am weak at English. The verb is speak. And last but not least, Mom hates food, and you've got freeze. Good. Let's answer these 2 exercises. Number 1, fill in the table below. So you've got the adjective, hopeful. Good. So the noun is hope. Energetic. The noun is energy. Careless. The noun is care. Childish. The noun is child. Painful. The noun is pain. Friendly. The noun is friend. Interesting. The noun is interest. Good. Exercise 2. Fill in the blanks with adjectives using the verbs in parentheses. Number 1. The story was, and you've got interest. So the story was, yes, interesting. Good. Number 2. I was in the story, and I have interest here. So I was interested in the story. Yeah, good. 3. She was with her job, and you've got bore. Aha, so she was bored with her job. 4. The job was, and you've got bore, so the job was boring. Yeah, that's it, good. 5. Teaching is a profession, and you've got satisfy. So teaching is a satisfying profession, ing. Good. 6. Miriam is with her profession, and you've got satisfy. So Miriam is satisfied with her profession. So here we need ed. Great. 7. I am weak at English, and you've got speak. So I am weak at spoken English. I need an adjective here. Number 8. Mom hates food, and you've got freeze. So Mom hates frozen food. Good. So this is part 1 of adjectives. Okay, I hope you have benefited, and I'd like you to review and provide examples from your own. Thank you so much, and good luck. Dr. Melika Kuti.